Hello everybody, I am Jala from speakpureenglish.com. Your eyes are very beautiful. You look at me beautifully. Would you like to know a lot of words related to the word eye? Let's get started. Firstly, an eye means a part of our body. Another meaning is to see. It also means a way of seeing. For example, she looked at the picture with the eye of an artist. Can you value my meal with the eye of a cook? There are some adjectives containing the word eye: blue-eyed, black-eyed, eye-catching. Eye-catching means immediately noticeable because it's interesting. That house is very eye-catching. There are also some compound words you should get to know. Eye patch. Eye patch means a piece of material worn over one eye, usually because the eye is damaged. Eyewitness. A person who has seen a crime, accident, and can describe it. Eyesight means the ability to see. I have a bad eyesight. I need to see a doctor. You should also know eyebrow, eyelash, eyeball, eyelid. Blink your eyes. When we blink our eyes, we shut and open the eyes quickly, like this. In the blink of an eye means very quickly. She wrote the message in the blink of an eye. To squint your eyes. It has two meanings. To look at something with your eyes partly shut in order to keep out bright light, or to see better. To squint into the sun, or we can say she was squinting through the keyhole. The second meaning is to have eyes that look in different directions. To wink at somebody means to shut one eye and open it again quickly. We wink at somebody either as a private signal to somebody or to show something is a joke. To have a wink of sleep. It's an idiom and means not to be able to sleep. I didn't have a wink of sleep last night. When we are surprised at something we hear or see, we say, I can't believe my eyes. To meet somebody's eye means to look directly at somebody's eyes as they look at you at the same time. To see something out of the corner of your eye means to see something by accident, not very clearly, as you are not looking straight at it. For example, did you see how he was doing that? No, I just saw it out of the corner of my eye. Cock an eye at something. You can use this idiom when you look at or listen to something carefully with a lot of attention. Be all eyes. This idiom means to watch something carefully with a lot of interest. I am all eyes. Are you all eyes? To catch somebody's eyes means to attract somebody's attention. I don't want to catch people's eyes. Give your eye teeth. You can use this idiom when you are saying that you want something very much. I'll give my eye teeth to own that car. As you know, the way of looking at something is different. You can gaze at something or you can glance at something. bat your eyes in a way that's supposed to be attractive. Shut your eyes to something to pretend that you haven't noticed something. Have eyes in the back of your head means to be aware of everything happening around you, even things seem difficult or impossible. Keep an eye on something means to take care of something and make sure that they are not damaged. Can you keep an eye on my cat while I am away? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder means people all have different ideas about what is beautiful. To hit somebody straight in the eye means to be very obvious to somebody. So in the end, I wish you healthy eyes. Take care of your eyes as they are valuable and beautiful. Take care.